Hello everyone and welcome to episode 111 of The Castle. I just slept out here last night. We had dinner and played some rock ball. And now it's time to add some more stone so that it doesn't just stagnate and do nothing. Also, this looks kind of ugly after the bulldozer wreckage. So hopefully we'll be able to fix it today. Our cameraman Chris came out especially with his fancy camera. Hello everyone, this is Narrator Me, talking over the top. Just do a little bit of description of the castle. It's actually quite comfy up there. Last night I spent the night from around 2 AM till 7 AM sleeping atop the castle beneath the stars. It was an absolutely lovely night. I could see for miles up into the sky. It was very clear. There was a little period of time where it just went to clouds. And there was, not much you could see. There was just a few stars poking through little holes in the clouds. But there was like a moderately full moon. It wasn't like a full moon. It was like a 2/3 moon, like a moon bigger. That's sort of like I'm here, but so like I'm thinking about something else.
So foggy,
and it was pretty comfy.
Mist
I went up there. I took my little 2 dry packets of ramen noodles, and I munched on the dry brick with no water. Actually, no, that's not entirely true. I did have a bottle of water, but I ate the noodles separate to the water. It's like a big, tasty, crunchy brick. I had a noodle for dinner. I had some noodles for breakfast. And then I woke up around 7 AM before the sun, because the sun is lazy. No, I'm just kidding. And then I continued building the castle after a small gap. I did have a little bit of a break where I went inside to eat a breakfast of an entire bottle of cream, which I don't recommend. You probably shouldn't do that. I've heard that it's unhealthy, but I haven't faced any consequences for my decisions yet, so I'm just going to continue doing them. I also had 2 sugar rolls and an entire bag of jerky. Sorry if you're a vegetarian or a vegan. You'll probably hate me now, but that's perfectly fine. I think I can live with that. Anyway, I had a lot of fun building this. This is probably one of the episodes where I made the most progress, not just because I did a lot of work. I think it was like 5 hours in a row in sections, and then separate sections as well. There's other bits that are happening that I didn't actually record, but also because a lot of episodes were missed, because for an entire week the camera was broken. Probably more than the week, actually. It was quite a little bit longer. The camera fell in the salt water. I put it on top of the little pile in the center, and I was doing some work in episode 110, and the wind was just like and sorry, I'm pretty sure the wind didn't do that last bit, but it knocked over my camera, and my camera tumbled like Humpty Dumpty off the edge of the wall, and it had a great fall, and it went kasploosh inside the salt water. I couldn't save it in time. I got there, and the whole thing had been completely soaked and drenched from inside to out with liquid saltiness, which inadvertently probably shorted everything out and killed it permanently, so it died. Luckily, its memory, its little brains were still intact, and I managed to pull some sort of a wreckage out of the SD card, though large portions of its memory were suspiciously missing. And I'm pretty sure that's because it didn't get to save in time when it went down. But there's a lot of progress gets made today. For my long little monologue here, I'm waffling at this point. Alrighty, this is the castle. It's a little bit taller, but not that much taller. I'm going to set the camera down and walk up to it for scale of reference. It's now as tall as me, which isn't very tall, but you do. Might as well just put some music in the background and let you just sort of see for yourself. But it did work out pretty good. It all sticks out of the water now, and it's got a relatively even wall height around the whole thing, so it's sort of more even. And I've used bigger stones on the outside, so there's less risk of it sort of rolling down anymore. I also moved in like an entire section that was sticking out that I used as like a dump pile, and I've removed that and just put it all on top. And I shuffled all the stones around so they lock together nicely and are all sort of compression locked by gravity, holding each other in place. The seagulls did come back later on in the... Alrighty, we moved some stone, and you can see my little snail trails through the sand. Only 2 of them today from this direction. There's no concealing where I've been and where I'm going to. A big old track mark in the sand. Right, this is the internal view of the castle at the moment. We've got a nice little moat, and I've got a wall going around the outside, and then we've got this tower in the middle, which doesn't look that tall from here, and that's because it's not that tall. It's only about as tall as me. But now we've got to load all of this concrete into this wall over here. Today I just didn't get any clips of it. There was like so many of them: seagulls, petrels, mollyhawks, dotterels, all sorts of little birds hang out there at various different times of the day. Sometimes you get shags and blue herons as well. I think I already said that one. Never mind. It's pretty fun. It's definitely pretty cool. We also had dinner. I had dinner out there. It was like baked beans and avocados and some corn, I think, with like vegetables. And I climbed up my little pile. It's like someone turned the render distance down to 2 because I can't even see the bay across the shore. This is the castle. We've got a wall and a basic stone pile and a fly. And the fly's gone. Now it's just the stones and me again. And we chowed down on some tasty dindins at the top of my castle, and it was very chill indeed. Anyway, I will actually end the monologue now, which has been going on for 4 minutes and 27 seconds as of me saying that second, but it's continuing with the time. That fog is absolute pea soup. I can't see anything. It shut the entire shores off. Got a little bit of progress, as usual. It's not that much, but it's a little bit. And you're going to get very sick of my voice if I continue talking, so I'm just going to slap some music in the background, and you can watch the rest with my little intermittent random bursts of conversation. The entire first half of the day, I wandered around with like really thick clothes on. Cold, mysterious trees. Me down a bit, but I do speed up later when I change into better clothes.
I'm sleeping in a tree by the beach, sipping water and eating a peach. Happily contented in my dreams. Everything is not what it seems. Everyone got old and boring. They work for stuff they're hoarding. They don't know that they're falling. One day they gain a frown, then their bodies break down. They tell me get a job, and then my time they rob, but they give me made up numbers while making me encumbered. One day in the end, they can no longer bend. Wage slaves will work again, carrot on a stick, no way. 6, 7, 8, 9. Grab the cheese and pour the wine. 6, 7, 8, 9. Soon the wait will slow the time. 6, 7, 8, 9. In the rocks I just unwind. 6, 7, 8, 9. Inside the slowly dying. 6, 7, 8, 9. Happy that I gave up crying. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'd rather build a castle than play your games and waste my time. A graveyard of broken dreams, of childhoods free of fiends. The place where people wandered, now just a morgue of screams. They buy a house so they don't have to rent, but then they pay the rates. It's the same stupid diamond, but with a different name. When we were younger, we had no limits. Then school, it chained us all. Dreams it inhibits. They made us into robots. They took our souls away. They took what made us human and put it in the grave. They tell us to trust them, then put cameras everywhere. Your cell phone spying on you, and you don't even care. One day you'll be a slave again because you did nothing instead of saying no and maybe doing something. 6, 7, 8, 9. Grab the cheese and pour the wine. 6, 7, 8, 9. Soon the wait will slow the time. 6, 7, 8, 9. In the rocks I just unwind. 6, 7, 8, 9. Inside they're slowly dying. 6, 7, 8, 9. Happy that I gave up crying. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'd rather build a castle than play your games and waste my time. I will build a castle in the water, tall and wide. Its walls will shimmer where the stars collide. A moat of whispers, a drawbridge that crosses over time. Try to knock it down.
Alright, we have selected some pristine stones of nice oblong shape, and they should fit in nicely at the base, right over there, oh, pardon me, on the eastern side of the wall.
Too close, hear the thunders cry. The sky will split and the sea will die. Try to knock it down or try to break the spell. The waves will roar and toll the bell. You'll face the mortars and sulfur rain. No time to yell, you'll be engulfed by the pain. Horses made of shadows and dancing in the flames, charging through the water. If you try to bring me shame, help me out and be my friend, and you will be just fine. But if you try to bring me down, my legions might rip out your spine.
I'm fletching arrows from the bamboo. Shot a bird blind with my bow using kung fu. Built a castle in the river, 60 tons of raw stone. My arrows rain down like a full fire hailstorm. I'm fletching arrows from the bamboo. Shot a bird blind with my bow using kung fu. Built a castle in the river, 60 tons of raw stone. My arrows rain down like a full fire hailstorm.
Okie dokie. So we patched this side of the wall, which is the eastern wall, and we moved all the stone that was in this little pile here up onto the heap, and got some stone from there and put it on here so that it wouldn't fall apart. And that's the progress, and the tide's coming in faster than I expected.
I'm polishing on my armor, I'm sharpening on my swords, I'm shining up my buckler, and I'm etching in these words. Draw my hand and I darken the skies, turn the seas and burn your lies. Flick my wrists and I summon the sun, I send my clones and your soldiers all run. Distract you all with a fake court case, you turned your back, now I'm in your base. Gossip in your group chats, now say it to my face. Pray for help and pray for mercy, a luxury you never afforded me is dead. She curtsies, mind control and fake and lost memories. Got them all back from an astral diary, now the future is looking fiery. Kill me once and you kill me twice, you'll break my heart and run like mice. Cowards in uniforms with titles and flashcards, I'll see you in your dreams where I will give you scars. Think you're watching me from the front, I'm watching you through the screen right back. A calm silence before we attack, now a sniper has got my back. I'm out in the shore, stacking rocks, Danley's clone is luring you into a kill box. I watch from world to world, sorry that I can't stand for what they did, they will all pay. Spit reality at the seams and break the veils, grinding in the dark to succeed after 1,000 fails.
Iron wolves in the timber, gears clicking in the pitch black air. You creep up past the briars, oil breath, cold steel prayer. Cloak soaked in the river, boot prints in my outer yard. You think stone walls are sleeping, you think this gate is soft, not hard. Ready but machine guns hiding in the dark. You come to tear my castle down, I spray you to the ground with fiery darts. Watch your metal hearts burn out, millions machine guns crawling through the dark. Crank that courage till it snaps apart. You stole my throne but you don't get far, I write your names in ash with fiery darts.
Alrighty, the wheelbarrow
Torches
fell over.
twitch on the
Making a little bit of
ramparts.
progress.
Shadows racing on the moss gray wall. You load up one more nightmare, whisper. Tonight that tower falls. the castle hall. Medieval machine guns hiding in the dark. You come to tear my castle down. I spray you to the ground with fiery darts. Watch your metal hearts burn out.
Alrighty, I have built the castle. It's probably doubled in height. Not all the way in terms of thickness, but it's definitely gone up. Maybe not double, that's a little generous. It's more like it increased by a substantially big enough amount that it's kind of visible. This is the little rotational spin around view of the castle. As you can see, the water is all sort of come in there. We have moved just about like half of that onto that wall there to make it bigger. We upgraded this wall over here while cameraman Chris wasn't looking. And we've now got a slightly sturdier base down here. Just to give a little bit of point of perspective for how far down it is, because it doesn't look very far because it's on camera. If I take this stone and I drop it, it takes a little while, not quite a second, but it's probably like, I don't know, 0.6 of a second to get to the bottom, so it's an improvement. As you can see, we've got two tier levels now. We've got the pile tier, and then we've got like the low down tier. And it's about my height tall, a little bit over my height tall, like 1.5 of me tall probably. Now we moved all of the stones from over here in that little off branch pile, except for the two big ones which are just way too big to move on my own without breaking something in this little fleshy body. All up onto the pile. So got a nice little brick wall. Here's a little upside down view so you can pretend to be a spider for a second. Cost too much to replace.
You think this game is soft, not hard. Radiable machine guns hiding in the dark. You come to tear my castle down. I spray you to the ground with fiery darts. Watch your metal hearts burn out,
Oh, I can't go doing the rest of that, it's a little steep there. But yeah, that's the castle episode 111. That's 3 ones right there. It's an emergency over here. Anyway, goodbye. I'll see you in the next one. Alright everyone, here's the actual end of episode 111 of the castle. We've got a slightly thicker base. That's pretty much it. This slightly thicker base over there. And it's now uncomfortable to get up on, so it's doing its job of defending from lazy invaders.
but I've got gears in the chapel, crossbow bolts in the choir stalls, trip wires in the ivy, boiling rage in the castle hall, medieval machine guns.